today we got some more Mambas to go over, y'all. Y'all see it. But before we go over that, I need to talk to y'all, man. Because y'all were not woofing that shit on Kobe Bryant and his GOATness before he died. Growing up, Kobe was a factor. I don't know what's up with this new generation and shit, but when I was growing up, when motherfuckers would shoot a shot, it would either be Jordan or Kobe. You feel me? I know it's a new year, it's a new generation, but it's just crazy the hate Kobe gets. Like, okay, now we've seen the best shooter ever, cough, Stephen Curry. So now I understand why people would say that, but where did all this disrespect come from for Kobe Bean? When did this start? Anyways, today we have the Kobe 10 Low Protro 5 a.m. This colorway was actually the first colorway of the Kobe 10s. This colorway was inspired from when Kobe tore his Achilles, so the blue represents the poolside workouts that he used to do for rehab to bring his shit back. Kobe Bryant tore his Achilles in 2013, and why these are called the 5 a.m. is because he used to be poolside at 5 a.m. trying to get back and get right, and I heard this motherfucker was diving off a 40-foot swimming board, bro, like trying to get back. Like, this Mamba's different, bro. Like, if you know Mamba's a different type of motherfucker. He's not soft at all. Blood used to be in the gym all day shooting shots and all type of shit. So if you grew up on Kobe, you already know he not one of them soft motherfuckers like how he was getting at Dwight. Y'all remember how he was getting at Dwight? The blue lagoon on his shoe represents the pool water, of course. Red accents on the heel and on the tongue represent the stitching from his Achilles tendon that he had to get back together. This shoe comes with a mesh upper, a seamless build, and a black Nike swoosh. Tech-wise, you get a hybrid cushioning midsole. On the heel, you get a Nike Air Zoom unit. On the forefoot, you get a Nike Free Lunar line. Sorry about my bottom, but on the outsole, you get a race car inspired like tread on the bottom. Talk about me, my shit's beat on the bottom. I wear my shoes though, you feel me? I work out in my shoes, I play in my shoes, don't judge me. A carbon fiber shank is hidden on the outsole, but it is not anywhere that we could see it. How do these fit? I'm probably getting repetitive, but I'm gonna just keep it simple. Wide foot, go half a size up. Normal and narrow feet, true to size. We do get Mamba logos on the bottom, and then not on this heel, but on this heel we also get another Mamba logo. You know, it's only right. I almost forgot to tell y'all the price. These released in February of 2018 for $180. Resale wise, I looked on GOAT and they don't have a price on them. So, I mean, maybe they're rare motherfuckers holding on to their shit. When are they gonna start re-releasing Kobe's? Like, just not new colorways, like colorways that were dropped when he was playing. I have no idea. I also looked on StockX for these, and them motherfuckers is nowhere to be found on there. So I don't know, if you don't have them already, you could patiently wait and beg Nike to re-release some Kobe's instead of bringing these new colorways out. I don't know, but I'm gonna need y'all to be cool on Kobe Bean, blood. First and foremost, let's start here. He's a GOAT. Alright? Stop it. Number 2, he's deceased, blood. He's unalive. Y'all need to stop speaking on the dead before something happens to you, blood. And don't be crying about it when it does. But that's all I got for y'all today. It's your broski Moski, and I'm still at it like a crack addict, back at it. We gonna be back with more shoes, bro. I did not forget about y'all. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see some original Kobe colors come back, and we logging out this motherfucker.